Hello, welcome to your second video on beginning HTML. In this video, we'll be talking about heading tags and paragraph tags. In our previous video, we were able to create our first web page. I introduced you to a new tag, which is the H1, also known as the heading tag. Now, heading tags is used to identify a section on a web page. I'm going to type this in here for our H1. I will say welcome to my portfolio website. Now, what I'm going to do now is I want to talk about who I am. So I can't use an heading tag again because I want to separate the section from the content itself. So this time I'll be using a paragraph tag which we use by P. So I'll do a P tag, also known as the paragraph tag, and I can now say, okay, my name is Oluwaseun and I am a web developer. So if I save this now and go back to our browser and refresh what we have, you can see as the H1 tag is, you can see welcome to my portfolio website. Then you can see the paragraph which is saying my name is Oluwaseun, I am a web developer. Now another thing you should have in mind again is when it comes to your heading tag, we don't just have one, we have multiple. We have up to 6 to be sincere. So I'll just try and do another heading tag. So this time around I'm not using the H1, I'm using H2. And I can now say, okay, a little bit about me, or not, let's just use about me. So this time around I'm using a paragraph tag again. Now I'm writing I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and my favorite color is yellow. If I save this now, go back to our web page and see what we have. If I refresh, you see now at the top we have the welcome, which we've done the second time. But if you see the welcome to my portfolio website and the about me, they're a little bit different in size. Now what happens is this: when you are creating your heading tag, whatever number you put after your H1, your H tag determines how big or how small your web browser will put those text in. For example, if I change this to H3, which is another heading tag, we can say level 3 of your heading tag. If I save this, go back to our web browser and refresh this, you can see that the text goes reduces again. So that is one thing about your heading tag based on what you want. And one thing I want you to have in mind again is this: you can have multiple heading tags and multiple paragraphs on a single web page. And the heading tags we have is from H1 down to H6. So anyone you feel like using is up to you. But these are all heading tags and they are on two different levels. I think that is all for this class. I'll see you in the next one.